Hello, and welcome to another edition of Sporty's Product PIREP videos. My name is Doug, and today we're going to look at the 3-in-1 flashlight from Flight Outfitters. The 3-in-1 flashlight is a really useful flashlight that should be in every pilot's flight bag. It starts as just a very simple, easy-to-use, bright flashlight. So you have a high white as well as a low-level white. In addition to white, you also have red that's on the side of the 3-in-1 flashlight. And to get there, I can hold this button for 2 seconds, and the red comes on. This is important because now I don't have to scroll through my white light, ruining my night vision, to get to that really important red light. This flashlight has many different uses. At its heart, it's just a very simple, easy-to-use, bright flashlight. But by twisting the head 90 degrees, now I have a great clip light, which I can clip to my seatbelt, my shirt pocket, or wherever to illuminate the front of the cockpit. In addition to that, it comes with a head strap. So this strap could go on my head, and then the clip could go inside there, and now I have a headlamp that could be a red floodlight out the front, or I could put this on the side of my head and use it as a white spotlight. The back of the flashlight has a magnet, and this is great for on a toolbox. I could put this onto the side of a toolbox, and it'll hold its angle. And by using that rotating head, as well as this bezel on the back, I can really aim this light wherever I need to inside the hangar. While this light is rechargeable, you don't have to search for a special cable to recharge it. Built into the light itself is a USB port. So this is a standard USB-A. Anything that will charge your iPhone or an iPad will charge this up. The 3-in-1 flashlight from Flight Outfitters is very versatile. It's heavy-duty construction out of aluminum, and it's really become the favorite flashlight in my flight bag. You can find this product online at sportys.com.